Schedule 40 PVC is not appropriate for burial in sand below the saltwater high tide line. There are several reasons for this. Firstly, saltwater corrosion. PVC is not resistant to the corrosive effects of saltwater. Over time, the salt will attack and weaken the PVC material. This can lead to potential leaks or complete failure of the piping system. Secondly, ultraviolet or UV exposure. PVC is susceptible to degradation from ultraviolet radiation. When PVC is exposed to sunlight, the UV rays will degrade and embrittle the material, making it more vulnerable to damage and failure. Thirdly, wave action. The constant wave action and tidal changes in a saltwater environment can put significant stress on buried PVC pipes. This can increase the risk of cracking or complete failure of the pipe. Suitable materials for buried piping below the saltwater high tide line include high-density polyethylene or HDPE. HDPE is a durable, corrosion-resistant, and UV-resistant material that is widely used for underground piping in marine environments. Fiberglass reinforced plastic or FRP is another option. FRP is a composite material that combines fiberglass with a resin. It offers excellent corrosion resistance, strength, and flexibility, making it suitable for saltwater applications. Polypropylene or PP is a corrosion-resistant and UV-resistant material that is suitable for buried piping in saltwater environments. Polytetrafluoroethylene or PTFE, also known as Teflon, is a high-performance material with exceptional corrosion resistance and a wide operating temperature range. Other important considerations for buried piping in saltwater environments include proper installation. The piping should be properly installed according to the manufacturer's specifications. This includes providing adequate bedding and protection against physical damage. The burial depth is also crucial. The piping should be buried sufficiently deep to avoid exposure to extreme weather conditions and wave action. Finally, regular maintenance is essential. Inspect the piping regularly for any signs of damage or corrosion.